Hello guys, how's it going? In this great training course, we are going to make tutorial about King After Effects. The After Effects is most powerful and popular software for designing motion graphics and visual effects in the world. A lot of artists using After Effects for making their films, their visual effects, and a lot of things you can do with After Effects. And also you can video editing with that. We're going to make tutorial in detail about in this software from first to end. And for example, you can see, after that, you can designing your or making your interesting clips, motion graphic like other artists. Just limitation is your imagination. Okay. Or for example, you can do some work like this with After Effects, or designing motion graphics like this, and lots of work that you can explore in Beyond Seer. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with us for After Effects.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.